Hello everyone, I'm Alex. Welcome to my live streaming. And today I'm going to introduce some product of our factory, the seamless fittings and the forge flange. And about our pipe fittings, we produce include the elbow, reducer, T, and the cap. About forging flange, today I show 4 types of our product range. The first is the Welding flange and slip-on flange and blind flange. The final is the socket type flange. Our pipe fittings material main is carbon steel. The carbon steel A234 WPB. Also, we can produce the seamless fittings and the welded fittings. The seamless fittings up to 24 inch and more than 24 inch. We can produce the welded fittings. About the thickness, normally the thickness is schedule 40. Through schedule 20, schedule 40, schedule 80, and schedule 120, even more higher thickness. Both can customize. About the T is include like this type is the equal T. The 3 and is same size, equal T, and also the reducing T. The branch pipe, end size is smaller. This type is also normal produce. And about the elbow, the reduce. Normally the long reduce, and we also can produce different reduce to you if you have the different request. About the flange, Welding flange. Welding flange, there have a higher welding. The welding there have important position is a bevel. This bevel is a 37.5 degree. This end thickness is suited to the pipe, to the connect pipe. So this thickness is important. Also, seem like the fitting thickness have schedule 40, schedule 80, and schedule 120. And about the flange marking. The flange marking include your brand if you have, and the type of the flange, and the size, the pressure, the material, and the standard. So this is the marking of the flange. The second type, slip-on flange. Here also have a short neck. The short neck influence the slip-on flange. The welding type is different from the welding flange. The welding type is butt weld, and the slip-on flange, the welding type is a pipe in the flange inside and the welding circle. So this influences the slip-on flange. The pressure bearing capacity will lower than the welding flange. Also, the marking of the slip-on flange is same, include the size, type, pressure, and material, and standard, and also the heat number. About the third type, blind flange. The blind flange is like a plate here, not have the inside diameter. He's not have the inside, and this flange usually using in the end of the pipeline. His usage is plugging the pipeline. And the blind flange marking is same, include this size, type, and pressure, material, standard, and so on. We can see the fittings is black, and I show the flange is just anti-rust oil. But the flange surface, we also can do the black painting. I can show you the picture. This type is our black painted the flange surface. The flange surface is using the black varnish, and also there are golden varnish type. Yes. Golden varnish type is also very commonly in the market, same like black. And in our order, also have this type, is red. This red is using in the fire protection project, this pipeline. It's also a special request. So about the flange, if you have the special varnish request, you just told us, so we can customize this. And about the package, we usually using the pallet and the plywood case. For the small size fittings and the flange, we're using this type package. This is a strong plywood case package. And after the package, there will stick the shipping mark. Yes, shipping mark, if you have special request, you also can tell us and we customize it for you. Look, this painting system. Yeah, this is our painting system for the flange and the fittings, both can using. In this system, it will have around 100 meter line. 100 meter line length can let us whole day. In 1 day we can finish around 100 tons painting. So this will much improve us the painting time. Production time become shorter and to guarantee the delivery. So that's all about the introduce of pipe fittings and the flange. And if you have any question and if you have urgent request, you can contact us. Contact us this information. You can check our website if you want to know more of us. And if you have urgent request, directly call us or send us email. So thanks for your time, and today my introduce of us is finished, and in further time I will do more sharing and for you. See you